Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing in the Dina Wakley Media Journal and I'm using the Arteza Gouache Paints. I am really happy with these paints because they blend beautifully and they have wonderful colors, and I really enjoy playing with them in my art journal. I have primed my page with gesso. I'm adding some color splatters to increase the vibrancy of the page. This one is the Colorcraft Aztec metallic paint. This is kind of a metallic shimmery paint and it's water soluble, and I like it to create accents on my pages. One of my favorite ways to make a background look interesting is to add some stamping. Here I'm using the Rubber Dance Vintage Postcard. One thing I really like about the gouache paints is that they are water soluble when dry, so you can remove the paint after they are dry, for example with a stencil. Here I'm using one from Stencil Girl. I go in with my stamps again, and I'm using Stays on ink just because it's laying on my desk, but it's almost dried out, so I just get a light impression, but that creates an interesting texture on the page. For my focal point, I decided to use the big butterfly from our butterfly trio, and I cut the image out direct to the black lines, and I'm also stamping it to my page. So when you glue it down, you almost can see that it's a cutout image. Before I glue down the butterfly, I color it in quickly with watercolors. I decide to add some more stamping using the smaller versions of that butterfly to balance the page a little more. I'm adding my sentiment with words from the Mix a Sentiment stamp set. I have embossed them with white onto some pattern paper. Here is my finished page. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you see us next time. Bye!